Okay, today we're going to replace the blinker bulb in the 2015 Toyota Highlander. You're going to need your long life bulbs, 744NA. And to get to them, your blinker is going to be right here. You're going to have to remove this piece right here. Now there's two of these clips, okay? What you're going to do is you just take and push down on both of them, okay? Once those are pressed down, this piece actually lifts right up and out. Sorry, filming and doing is a little bit difficult. And then what it's going to do, going to get you right into the connectors right back here. All right, now it's really rough to get your hand in there, but you just get it in, give it a quarter turn counterclockwise, and it pulls right out. Go ahead and switch out your bulb, put it back in, and you can put it all back together.